Naghahanap ka ba ng affordable single-attached house and lot na located sa isang subdivision na tahimik, mahangin, maraming puno, malapit sa Tagaytay, and accessible pa din sa Metro Manila? If the answer is yes, don't skip this video dahil ito na ang bahay na hinahanap mo. Hello everyone! Good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Leslie Lazarte and today, join me for another house tour of this very beautiful and affordable Carnation Single Attached here in the heart of General Trias, Cavite. Tara, tripping tayo! Welcome to Carnation Single Attached here in Richdale West in General Trias, Cavite. The exact location of Richdale West is in Barangay Panungyanan, General Trias, Cavite. Itong napakagandang Carnation Single Attached, which is the house model at my back, it has a minimum lot area of 99 square meters and a total floor area of 66 square meters. Meron itong provision for 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, and 2 carport pa. Diba, bongga? So let's start with the lot area. For the minimum lot area of 99 square meters, your property line would be from this side, mula dito, and hanggang dito. So guys, this is just an estimate kasi yung ating model house, hindi siya yung exact na 99 square meters. So this is just the approximate. So dito yung location ng 2 carport mo. Now, if you will see, the house is very beautiful, very modern yung kulay niya. And this is actually a sample of the single detached na Carnation. So may mga available din tayong single detached and single attached. Now you would ask me, ano ba yung difference nilang dalawa? Pag single attached ka, yung gilid mo sa isang side ng bahay, firewall na. Ibig sabihin, wala kang bintana. Pag single detached ang Carnation na kinuha mo, meron kang bintana. This is the exact house. May bintana sa kabilang side at meron pa ring lote sa gilid na konti. So yun lang naman difference nila. But in terms of the floor space, they have the exact floor area of 66 square meters. Okay? So tara, pasukin natin yung bahay. So this is the exterior facade of Carnation Single Attached here in Richdale West, General Trias, Cavite. By the way, the developer of Richdale West is Axia Development Corporation. So ito yung isa sa mga bago nilang house models here in General Trias, Cavite. Now, isa sa mga nagustuhan ko dito sa Carnation model is that ang ganda ng space niya, yung 99 square meter lot area na mula dito sa firewall ng bahay mo. Yan, mula yan dyan. And then you have approximately 2 meters from this wall forward. So this will be the location of your front garden. And on this side, hanggang dito siya. kasyang-kasya dito ang dalawang sasakyan. No? So I will be posting the floor plan later on. Now, another thing na nagustuhan ko is aside from maganda yung kanyang lot area, yung sukat, at yung sukat also ng bahay na 66 square meters, saktong-sakto talaga siya for a 3-bedroom house. Nagustuhan ko rin yung design niya. Very modern, di ba? Ang ganda-ganda ng itsura niya. You can even put a balcony over here kapag na-turn over siya. And the third, and definitely not the least, is that the weather. This location, Barangay Panungyanan, is actually very near Silang. Kung kayo po ay taga Cavite and you are going to Tagaytay at dumadaan ka sa Amadeo, madadaanan po ninyo itong Richdale West kasi yung location natin is paakyat na ng Silang, no? So, very provincia yung vibes niya. Ayan, ang daming puno. Ayan, pakita ko lang yung ongoing construction natin. Ang daming puno, mahangin, tahimik, and at the same time, very accessible tayo sa Metro Manila via the Cavite-Laguna Expressway. We are only 7 kilometers from Calax, guys. So, ibig sabihin, kung kailangan mong pumunta ng Metro Manila, mga 30 to 45 minutes lang nandun ka na sa Metro Manila. So, ganun siya ka-accessible. Alright, so moving forward, this is gonna be the actual turnover of Carnation model. Ang roofing natin is painted long span roofing na merong mga downspout. Okay, may mga gutter tayo and downspout, and ang kulay niya is a neutral beige. Then we have this beautiful stone accent. Ayan, pakita ko lang yung ating mga stones. Ang ganda-ganda niya. Very, very modern design ng house, no? So, ang turnover natin ng ating garden and our garage is level soil. So, ito na po yung actual turnover natin. And ipakita ko lang yung likuran natin, no? So, ito yung ating gilid. We have single detached and single attached available for this Carnation model, alright? So, sa likod, malaki pa yung space nyo. Mga 2 meters pa dito. Okay, so, meron ka pang ample space para sa laundry and service area. And this is your carport. Ayan, so pasukin natin yung bahay. As we enter the house, our main door is made of metal or steel door. So, bakal ito. At yung nakagandahan sa bakal, no, hindi siya nabubulok. Lifetime siya. Ayan, so, welcome to Carnation single attach. Yan. So, kung familiar po kayo kay Axia Development, through Pag-ibig, itong Carnation ha, take note, single attach tayo at single detached, through Pag-ibig tayo. Now, bare finish ang bahay to give you the freedom to design your own space. And what's nice about Carnation is that pagpasok mo, you would immediately see yung laki at lawak ng space, di ba? For only 14,000 pesos per month, sobrang affordable na po nitong single attached na Carnation. This area is gonna be your living area. This is your dining and your kitchen. Di ba? So, ang ganda ng pagkaka-layout kasi hindi magkasama yung living at yung dining area. Ipakita ko lang ulit yung space para ma-appreciate ninyo, okay? Dito ako po pwesto. Yan. Okay, so this is the main door. This is your living area. Malawak siya. And yung mga windows natin, our windows is sliding window. Yan, aluminum sliding windows tayo. Yung flooring natin, smooth cement finish to give you the freedom to design your own home, di ba? Makakapili ka ng tiles kung anong gusto mo. At, importante, meron tayong biga. No? So, very stable ang bahay. Yung ating ceiling, steel deck po yan. Ibig sabihin, yung steel deck, yan yung nagsusupport ng slab sa second floor. Napakatibay po ng bahay kasi maliban sa meron tayong biga at poste, steel deck pa yung second floor. Okay? So, mataas din yung ating floor to ceiling na height. And this is gonna be your dining area. Diba? Ang luwag talaga ng space niya. Nakakatuwa kasi marami talagang bumibili nitong Carnation. Isa ito sa bestseller natin. So, itong hagdanan natin, sa ibaba nito, pwede mo to actually convert into storage. Takpan mo lang ito. Plus, lagyan mo ng mga drawer, diba? Cabinet. Perfect na siya for storage area. Alright, so let's go and check out the kitchen. Now, for our kitchen, pasensyahan nyo na may mga gamit kasi may mga nagmamaning. So, very basic yung kitchen. Meron tayong tiled countertop, may kitchen sink, then may faucet dito. Open lang yung ibaba. Ikaw na yung magpapaganda. Pero ang ganda ng layout kasi meron na siyang bintana. Okay, going to your laundry and service area. Bakal din po yung ating service door. And yan yung likod kanina. Okay. So on your ground floor, dito mo rin makikita yung toilet and bath. Ayan. So, dalawa yung toilet and bath ni Carnation. Meron tayo sa ground floor and on the second floor. Now, ang maganda dito, complete finish si toilet and bath for the Carnation model. Pag sinabing complete, may tiles. Yan, taas ng tiles guys ah. Kikita ninyo sa reflection ko, mataas pa sa akin yung tiles. Yan, kita niyo may shower, meron tayong soap holder, may shower fixtures, may tissue holder, may toilet bowl. Yeah. Open lang siya. Okay, wala lang siyang pintura sa kasiling, pero pwede mo naman siyang palagyan after turnover. So, ikaw na yung magpapaganda ng inyong toilet. So, it's very nice. Ipakita ko lang yung space. Yan. Ample space, hindi siya masikip. Saktong-sakto lang siya at mataas yung ceiling. May bintana din for exhaust. Diba? Yung pintuan natin, the typical PVC door for the toilet. Okay. Let's go and check out the second floor. So, yung hagdanan natin, bakal siya at semento yung apakan. Okay, napakatibay. Ang kakapal po ng bakal, nakikita ninyo, ang lapad ng ating mga bakal. At ang kapal ng ating semento, no? Pwede mo itong palagyan ng tiles. Pwede mo rin actually itong, kung hindi ka, kumbaga may mga bata sa bahay nyo, at hindi ka comfortable na bukas to, pwede mo itong palagyan naman ng cover. So, wala namang magiging problema dyan. So, pag-akyat po natin, sa second floor, we have provision for 3 bedrooms. Alright? So, ganito po kakapal yung slab natin, no, sa second floor, ang kapal. So guys, huwag kayong magtataka kung napakatibay ng house natin dahil napakatibay talaga sa kapal ng semento ng slab. So for the second floor, we have a provision for 3 bedrooms. So malalaki yung mga bedrooms natin. And I will be posting the layout, the recommended layout. Pero open layout tayo sa second floor. Smooth cement finish for the walls. Smooth cement for the flooring. Smooth cement for the walls. And open ceiling tayo, na open layout. Wala tayong mga partition para makapag-decide kayo kung ilang kwarto ang kailangan mo, di ba? So if you want to install 2 bedrooms lang or 1 bedroom, walang problema. Ikaw yung magde-decide. And what I also love about Carnation is that maraming bintana. Can you see that? Walang ilaw na nakabukas. It's just the natural light coming in, pero ang liwanag, maaliwalas yung bahay. So, for each bedroom, di ba? Meron kang almost 2 windows na malalaking sliding window, no? So, ang ganda niya at mataas din yung ating ceiling. Okay. So, pakita ko yung kabilang side. Ayan. Dito ako umakyat. Ito yung kabilang side. Like I said, we have the single detached and single attached model. This home is the detached. That's why meron siyang bintana sa side na to. But if you will get the single attached, yung 14,000 monthly, pader lang po ito, sarado lang, itong side lang na to. Pero itong mga bintana na to, meron yan. Harap, yung isang gilid, saka yung likod, may mga bintana yan. Ito lang yung dalawa, yung semento, kapag single attach. Okay? Now, for our toilet and bath, basically the same lang siya for the ground, as the ground floor. Okay? So, wala namang siyang difference. See, meron tayong tiles for the flooring, complete bathroom fixtures, may soap holder, shower fixtures, may tissue holder, di ba? Yan yung nagustuhan ko kay Axia kasi parang nafe-feel mo na kahit affordable yung bahay na binili mo, yung mga maliliit na bagay tulad ng ito, yung soap dish, saka yung tissue holder, di ba? Meron na naka-install. So, kahit sabihin mo na maliit na bagay, ma-appreciate mo kasi ano din yun eh, kumbaga added value sa property na binibili mo. And at the same time, kung naghahanap kayo ng retirement home, this house is perfect for you dahil tahimik siya, maraming puno, may enjoy talaga ng parents ninyong tumira dito sa Richdale West. Perfect na perfect talaga si Carnation Model kung kayo ay naghahanap ng retirement home or bahay para sa inyong family na ma-appreciate nila kung galing sila sa probinsya dahil maraming puno, talagang probinsya vibes dito sa General Trias, sa may barangay Panungyanan dahil malapit na nga tayo sa Silang. So kung kayo ay interesado and you would like to avail this limited edition, this limited units of Carnation Model here in General Trias, Cavite for as low as 14,000 pesos per month, please message me. Ito yung aking contact number and QR code. Mag-send po kayo na inquiry through our contact form and we will contact you and bring you to this site. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again on my next video. Bye-bye!